This quadratic equation is from the Indian High School Leaving Certificate Examination question. It says, find the value of k for the following quadratic equation in which the, the equation will be having two identical roots. Two identical roots, it means one root, in other words. So all quadratic equation, in fact, will be having two roots in three cases. Case 1, for the general form of a quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have three cases. B squared minus 4ac is less than 0. In this case, we have two complex roots. This is case 1 here. Case 2, b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. We still have two roots, but they are real and identical. The third case is b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. We will be having two real roots in case 3. The question is saying this equation will be having two identical roots. So we are going to take case 2, which is b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here in the question, a is a leading coefficient of x square, then b is a coefficient of x, and c is a constant term. So we can have here a is equal to 2, b is equal to k, and c is equal to 3. From this one, let's go for solving the value of k, in which the equation will be having two identical roots, in which b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, which implies b squared minus 4 times 2 times 3 is equal to 0, which implies b squared minus 4 times 6 is equal to 0, which implies b squared minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, we transpose minus 24 to the other side, which implies b squared is equal to 24, which implies b is equal to plus or minus root 24. Root 24 is just 2 times 12. 12 itself is 2 times 6. We can have this one as 2 times root 6. So b is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. So we can have two values for k. One is k is equal to 2 root 6. The other one is k is equal to minus 2 root 6. So the equation to have two identical roots is going to be, let's get down the equation here, 2x squared plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x squared plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. So the two equations are 2x squared plus 2 root 6 x plus 3 is equal to 0, or 2x squared minus 2 root 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So either of these equations will be having two identical roots. If we want to know what are the roots, in fact, in case of the first one, so the roots are r1 is equal to minus b plus or minus under radical b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So one is a plus, one is a minus for the two roots. But this part is 0 in this case now, because we are looking for an equation which is having two identical roots, or simply b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So in the first case, the roots are minus b, which is minus 2 root 6, plus or minus b squared minus 4ac, I leave that part, divided by 2a. 2 times 2 is 4 here. Okay, so this is just, we cancel out this one with this as 2 minus root 6 over 2. Identical roots. One is this one, the other one is also the same, minus root 6 over 2. These are the two roots of the first equation. What about the other equation? This one will be having two identical roots, right? What are these ones? These ones are, again, the minus b part will be a plus. So the two identical roots of in the second equation on this one is a plus root 6 over 2, and another one is itself again a plus root 6 over 2. So the two roots of this equation are just root 6 over 2 and root 6 over 2. These are the ones. For this one, minus root 6 over 2 and minus root 6 over 2. So the value of k for that equation to be having two identical roots is either a plus 2 root 6 or a minus 2 root 6. Thank you for watching.